Following is a video showing the installation of the horizontal drive shaft cover for the GEnx engine. This digital training aid gives the technician visual help in performing this task. The horizontal drive shaft cover preform packings must be replaced before installation. Caution: make sure that the preform packings on the horizontal shaft cover are correctly lubricated with engine oil to prevent damage. It is easy to roll, pinch, nick, or cut the preform packings when you move the horizontal shaft cover in and out of the AGB module. Be careful not to cause damage to the preform packings. Apply the engine oil to the preform packing and lead-in chamfer of the shaft cover. Install the preform packing into the groove on the aft end of the shaft cover. Apply the engine oil to the preform packing and install the preform packing into the groove on the forward end of the shaft cover. Install the horizontal shaft cover retaining ring over the aft end of the shaft cover. Install the retaining ring with the rabbet on the inner diameter of the retaining ring forward. Apply engine oil on the inside lip of the accessory gearbox, or AGB, shaft bore in which the horizontal drive shaft cover will be installed. Install the shaft cover into the AGB module port until the shaft cover stops. Apply engine oil to the lead-in chamfer of the transfer gearbox, or TGB. Use steady, even pressure when you move the horizontal shaft cover. Twist the horizontal shaft cover as you move it forward until it mates with the flange of the TGB housing. Apply lubricant to the threads and washer faces of the bolts. Move the retaining ring forward and align the bolt holes with the flange on the TGB housing. Attach the horizontal shaft cover retaining ring to the TGB with the bolts. Alternately tighten the 4 bolts in a crisscross pattern on the retaining ring to pull the cover and preform packing evenly into the TGB. Torque the bolts to 106 to 124 inch-pounds or 12 to 14 Newton meters. To prevent loss of oil during operation, make sure the aft preform packing is seated correctly. Try to install a 10/1000 inch or 1/4 millimeter feeler gauge between the horizontal shaft cover and the shaft bore of the AGB housing. Be sure and do this check 360 degrees around the cover and AGB. If the feeler gauge moves freely into the bore, the preform packing is damaged or not seated correctly and must be replaced. This completes the demonstration of the installation of the horizontal driveshaft cover on the GEnx engine.